High above the bustling city of Athens, Greece, stands a rocky hill. This is the Acropolis. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Acropolis is a symbol of ancient Greece. It represents democracy, art, and philosophy. Its ruins tell stories of a powerful civilization. For centuries, people have gazed upon the Acropolis with awe. Its temples and monuments are architectural marvels. They reflect the ingenuity and creativity of the ancient Greeks. The Acropolis is a testament to human achievement. It continues to inspire and captivate visitors from around the world. The Acropolis has been inhabited since prehistoric times. Its strategic location on a hilltop provided natural defenses. In the 5th century BC, Athens experienced a golden age under the leadership of Pericles. He envisioned transforming the Acropolis into a symbol of Athenian power and cultural supremacy. The Acropolis became a hub of religious and civic life. It was dedicated to Athena, the patron goddess of Athens. Skilled architects, sculptors, and artisans worked together. They created magnificent structures that showcase the finest examples of classical Greek architecture. The Acropolis stands as a testament to their skill and artistry. The Parthenon is the most iconic structure on the Acropolis. It is a masterpiece of Doric architecture. The Parthenon was built to honor Athena Parthenos, the virgin goddess of wisdom, warfare, and the crafts. It housed a colossal statue of Athena, a testament to Athenian power. The Parthenon's design embodies harmony and balance. Its architects used mathematical ratios and optical illusions to create a sense of perfect proportion. The Parthenon has influenced countless buildings throughout history. It remains a symbol of classical architecture. The Erechtheion is another significant temple on the Acropolis. It is known for its distinctive porch of the caryatids. These are 6 draped female figures that serve as supporting columns. The Erechtheion was dedicated to multiple deities. These included Athena, Poseidon, and Erechtheus, a legendary king of Athens. The temple's asymmetrical design reflects its association with various myths and legends. One legend states that the Erechtheion marks the spot where Athena and Poseidon competed for patronage of Athens. The Erechtheion is a testament to the rich mythology of ancient Greece. Section 5. Temple of Athena Nike, a victory cast in marble. Perched on the southwestern edge of the Acropolis is the Temple of Athena Nike. This temple, though small in size, holds immense historical and cultural significance. It stands as a testament to the ingenuity and artistic prowess of ancient Greek civilization. This small but elegant temple commemorates the Athenian victory over the Persians at the Battle of Salamis. The Battle of Salamis was a pivotal moment in Greek history, where the Athenian navy triumphed against the mighty Persian fleet, altering the course of history. It housed a statue of Athena Nike, the goddess of victory. This statue was not just a mere representation, but a symbol of hope and triumph for the Athenians. The goddess Athena Nike was revered and worshipped, embodying the spirit of victory and success. She was depicted without wings to symbolize that victory would remain in Athens. The wingless form of the statue was a deliberate choice, ensuring that the goddess of victory would never leave the city, thus securing perpetual success and prosperity for Athens. The Temple of Athena Nike is a prime example of the Ionic order. This architectural style is characterized by its elegance and grace, with slender columns and intricate details that showcase the advanced engineering skills of the ancient Greeks. It features slender columns with scroll-like capitals. These scroll-like capitals, known as volutes, are a distinctive feature of the Ionic order, adding a touch of sophistication and beauty to the structure. The temple's frieze depicts scenes from the Battle of Salamis. These detailed carvings not only serve as a decorative element, but also as a historical record, capturing the valor and heroism of the Athenian soldiers. It celebrates Athenian bravery and military prowess. The frieze is a tribute to the courage and strategic brilliance of the Athenians, immortalizing their achievements in marble for future generations to admire and learn from. Section 6. The Propylaea, a grand entrance to glory. The Propylaea serves as the monumental gateway to the Acropolis. It was designed by the architect Menesicles. The Propylaea is a masterpiece of Doric architecture. It features a grand staircase and two wings that flank the central passageway. The Propylaea's construction was interrupted by the Peloponnesian War. It was never fully completed. Despite this, the Propylaea remains an impressive structure. It gives visitors a sense of the grandeur that once characterized the Acropolis. Section 7. Echoes of the Acropolis, a legacy in stone. The Acropolis has had a profound impact on Western civilization. Its architectural principles, particularly the Doric and Ionic orders, have influenced countless buildings. These range from Roman temples to neoclassical structures around the world. The Acropolis's sculptures and friezes have also inspired artists for centuries. The Parthenon marbles, now housed in the British Museum, continue to be the subject of debate and admiration. The Acropolis's legacy extends beyond its physical form. It represents the enduring spirit of classical art and architecture. Section 8. The Acropolis. Today, a beacon of the past, a bridge to the future. Today, the Acropolis is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. It draws people from all corners of the globe, each eager to witness the grandeur of this ancient citadel. The Acropolis, with its iconic structures like the Parthenon, the Erechtheion, and the Temple of Athena Nike, stands as a testament to the architectural brilliance of ancient Greece. Millions of visitors come each year to marvel at its ancient ruins. They walk among the remnants of a civilization that has profoundly influenced art, philosophy, and politics. The experience of standing amidst these ruins is both humbling and awe-inspiring, offering a tangible connection to the past. The Greek government has undertaken extensive restoration projects to preserve this historical treasure. These efforts are crucial in maintaining the structural integrity and aesthetic beauty of the Acropolis. Restoration workers meticulously repair and reinforce the ancient stones, ensuring that this symbol of human achievement endures for future generations. The Acropolis is not just a relic of the past. It is a vibrant part of modern Athens, hosting cultural events, educational programs, and even concerts. At night, the illuminated Acropolis becomes a beacon of light, symbolizing the enduring spirit of Greece. It is a living monument that continues to inspire and educate. School groups visit to learn about ancient history, while tour guides share stories of the gods, heroes, and philosophers who once walked these grounds. The Acropolis serves as an open-air classroom where history comes alive. It serves as a reminder of the power of human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of ancient Greece. The intricate details of the architecture, from the Doric columns to the sculpted friezes, showcase the advanced skills and artistic vision of the ancient Greeks. The Acropolis stands as a symbol of hope and resilience. As the sun sets over Athens, casting a golden glow on the ancient stones, one can't help but feel a sense of connection to the countless generations who have admired this magnificent sight. The Acropolis bridges the past and the future, reminding us of our shared heritage and the enduring power of human creativity. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring spirit of the Acropolis. The Acropolis of Athens is more than just a collection of ancient ruins. It is a symbol of the rich cultural heritage and the remarkable achievements of ancient Greece. It is a testament to the spirit of innovation, creativity, and democracy that flourished in ancient Greece. The Parthenon, with its majestic columns and intricate sculptures, stands as a tribute to the architectural genius of its creators. Its temples and monuments continue to inspire awe and wonder. Visitors from around the world come to marvel at the grandeur of these ancient structures, feeling a deep connection to the past. They remind us of the enduring power of human achievement. The detailed carvings and the sheer scale of the buildings are a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans who built them. As we gaze upon the Acropolis, we are transported back in time. We can almost hear the echoes of ancient philosophers discussing ideas that would shape the future of Western civilization. We imagine the bustling city of Athens during its golden age. The streets filled with citizens engaging in lively debates, the marketplaces brimming with goods from across the known world, and the theaters showcasing the works of great playwrights. The Acropolis stands as a beacon of the past. It is a reminder of the heights that human civilization can reach when driven by a quest for knowledge and a passion for excellence. It illuminates the path towards a future where art, architecture, and history continue to inspire generations to come. The Acropolis is not just a relic of the past. It is a living symbol of the enduring spirit of humanity, a source of inspiration that transcends time and place.